That is not true.
Yes, it is.
Mom loves both of us.
I do not think so. Mom, look at my drawing. 1 minute, Tom.
Mom, I made a flower.
Wow, Lily, that is beautiful.
Mom did not see my drawing.
That's lovely, sweetie.
I made a flower.
Maybe she does not like it.
Mom likes Lily more. That makes me sad.
Tom, where are you?
I am in my room.
Are you okay, Tom? Yes, I am okay.
You look sad. Are you fine? Is everything okay with you? What happened? Tell me.
Tom, come play with me. Why are you sad?
Mom loves you more.
That is not true.
Yes, it is.
Mom loves both of us.
I do not think so.
Kids, dinner is ready. Tom, come eat with us.
No, Mom.
What is wrong?
Nothing.
Mom, Tom is sad.
Oh, really? Tom, please tell me.
You love Lily more.
Oh, Tom, why do you think that?
You liked her drawing. You did not see my drawing. Oh no!
I am very sorry, Tom. I was busy cooking. Can I see your drawing now?
Yes, okay.
Wow, Tom, this is amazing!
This is wonderful. I like it.
Yay!
Yes, I love it.
Thank you, Mom. The drawing is very nice.
Thanks, Lily.
Tom, I love you very much.
Really, Mom?
Yes, I love both of you.
We love you too.
I feel better now.
Good. Next time, tell me how you feel.
Okay, Mom.
Let's draw together.
That sounds fun.
I will put both drawings on the wall.
Yay!
There we go.
That is so cool.
I am proud of you both.
Mom, can we color now?
Of course.
I want the blue crayon.
Here you go.
What are you drawing now?
A big house. I am drawing a cat.
That is cute.
Mom, do you like it?
I love it.
Yes. Thank you, Mom.
You are welcome.
Tom is smiling now.
I see that.
I was a little jealous.
That happens sometimes. But love is for everyone.
I understand now.
We are a happy family.
Yes, we are.
Mom, can we play a game?
Sure.
I want to play too.
Let's all play.
I like family time.
Me too.
This game is fun.
Who is winning?
I am.
Not for long.
We will see.
You both are funny.
We try.
Mom is laughing.
That is good.
I love spending time with you.
We love it too.
Family time is the best.
I agree.
Mom, thank you for talking to me.
Always, Tom. Your feelings matter.
That means a lot.
I love my brother.
I love my sister.
That makes me happy.
Me too. I will tell you next time.
Good idea.
Communication is important.
Yeah.
I am proud of you both.
Thanks, Mom.
Group hug!
I love you both very much.
We love you too.
Mom, do you love me?
Always and forever.